Hey there, I'm Big Butt Bear, the official teddy bear of Train Ovator and Fanteco 104 Productions. So it's April 2, it's Wesley's birthday, so it's a springtime day, but it's a little chilly. So we went to Cold Spring! Ho 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 ho! We're in Cold Spring, look at that! Actually, it's not that chilly, it's actually a nice day.
Somewhere in the 50s.
Gonna see some diesel trains today.
Because obviously there's no electric, because there's no third rail here.
I don't see any third rail, so we're gonna do some diesel trains.
Alright. Comes a P32 to Poughkeepsie, Metro North. Well, actually, they're all going to be P32s. That's 221 leading.
Quiet.
6115 trailing. What do you think, Big Butt Bear?
Nice day to be a bear.
Yep.
Good day to be out watching trains.
That's right. There he goes. Oh, another one. Yeah. There's two trains in the shot.
Looks like it's being pushed.
Yeah, it's being pushed. Awesome, two trains in the same shot. (61-17) leading. Awesome, Big Butt Bear. We got two trains at Cold Spring.
Beautiful day too.
Yeah, sugar maple. Pause the video until it departs. There we go. Good place to see the train depart. What is that? 224. I hear another train.
I think I hear one coming from the other direction too.
Yeah.
Okay, you get that.
Here comes another Grand Central bound. The last one we saw was a normal, no, Super Express. This one's just the normal Grand Central train. $62.03 leading. Videos.
Is he gonna stop?
What? The train going north? No. Amtrak's don't stop here. Danbury Hatter car.
This is the Hudson line?
This is the Hudson line. Up, here it comes. Two-way train meet. Awesome. Here comes Amtrak to Rutland. He's coming in pretty fast. Next sure to wait for Amtrak.
He's not gonna stop.
No.
He's really gonna move.
Yeah. That's 204 leading. All right. Yeah, Amtrak flies through here just like Beacon.
He gave us a great horn signal too.
Oh yeah, what? That's a great horn show right there too. And there goes the Metro North train. That was an awesome horn, I will say. That's 208 leading. These are Bombardier cab cars. $62.05 trailing. Zoom in on the train slide. There he goes.
Hey, what? No.
Track. This is a Lakeshore Limited. Amtrak Lakeshore Limited's pen. 708 leading. Here comes another Lakeshore Limited Amtrak train. I knew this one was coming. The other one I wasn't expecting. Here comes Lakeshore Limited. double header on that one. That was awesome. 2 engines. That second engine wasn't a P32. It was something else. I think that was a P40.
They can gang those together?
Yeah. Here comes another P32 train to Grand Central.
There he is.
Yep. 63-18 leading.
Okay, why don't you back off?
Yeah, probably a good idea.
Want to get on the train.
There we go. What cab car is this? 6317. New Haven unit, 228.
Well, that about wraps it up for today. So long from Cold Springs. Don't forget to subscribe.